for it? Would you fight for it?
My name is Joram, also known as Wildstylerz. I'm a hardstyle producer and DJ from the Netherlands. My relationship with Q-Dance is really good. I did a lot of anthems for them. I play at most of their parties. We brainstorm about shows and what we can do more. In January this year we did exclusive in the Heineken Music Hall and exclusive Wildstylerz, and it was like probably one of the best nights of my life. Their parties were like next level. I produce hardstyle like 60 hours a week. I play every weekend, big part of my life. I think the hardstyle is growing bigger and getting more recognition at this moment. I think my sound is really easygoing. A lot of vocals in it. A lot of my tracks are like songs. It could also be a ballad or just a normal pop track. I'll see you all on the 5th of October in LA. Prepare yourself for the sound of Q-Dance and of course also the sound of Wildstylerz. And I'm going to make some fresh new tracks for you. So yeah.
Until the lights go out.